Alright, so I just wanted to give a video update on my play with AMC. Sadly, I took a risk with this stock and I lost money. And I just want to show you this because hopefully you learn from my mistakes. And, I didn't expect things to happen how they happened, but they happened. So let's take a look at my position play in AMC. So I purchased AMC on January 27th. I purchased 45 shares at $16.50 for a total of $742.50. And as you'll see on January 28th or 27th, we hit $19.90. So I believe it was going to shoot well past $19 if the market wasn't manipulated. Now, there's a lot of theories on what really happened. Only time will tell. I'm sure Netflix will do a documentary on it and it will prove that the market was manipulated. They only allowed people to sell, so it essentially tanked AMC and GameStop. But ultimately, I decided, hey, if I'm going down, I'm going to try and lose as less money as I possibly can, so I'm going to double down. So on February 2nd, I purchased 62 shares of AMC at $7.66. And I thought, maybe I should kind of add a little more onto that. So I did that. A few minutes later, I bought 45 shares at $7.76. So ultimately, I was dollar cost averaging my stock price lower in hopes that I would lose less money. And ultimately, that worked out for me. That's a simple trading strategy, but it's also risky. I knew it was risky. I was already going down, so I'm going to try to, make it hurt a little less. So ultimately, I sold AMC 152 shares at $8.97 for $1,363.44. So what happened was I bought and I missed my opportunity to sell at around $9. It tanked really hard that day and it just kept going down and down. And I was hoping it was going to pull back up, but it didn't. And we hit $5 and it was just I was just riding it out, hoping that it was going to go up. And last week we had a run up and I got my chance. So I sold it for, let's see, let me just do $8.97. And I'm sure you're saying, hey, it went above that, but I didn't know what was going to happen. No one did. I sold that 2 minutes before the market closed, and I was happy with it. It shot up a little past that in the aftermarket, but ultimately it's back down to that $8 range. So I think I made the wise decision. And let's just do some quick calculation here on, let's do 742.50 plus 474.92 plus 349.20. So I spent a total of $1,500 on my position and I sold it for a loss of $203.18. So I would have lost a lot more if I didn't double down. But ultimately, that was a double down on my gambling and it paid off. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work that way. So please learn from my mistakes. Understand that sometimes this is gambling and this is not investing. And sometimes there are factors that you just can't account for and crazy stuff can happen in this market. So, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.